Hi, I'm James. I'm the creator of the Chronic Insights Symptom Diary app for people with chronic health conditions. One of the reasons I created the app in the first place was because, well, partly because all the other apps that I tried I didn't particularly like. I didn't think they were very good. Um, and a big part of the reason why was because you couldn't record your symptoms using a smartwatch, which just seemed really obvious for me, especially, given the fact that I have chronic pain and chronic fatigue, like a lot of people with chronic conditions have. To have to take your phone out every time you want to record, whether your pain or your fatigue has changed or any other symptom that you might have, it's really bothersome and tiring. So what if you could just go tap tap on your watch and the recording's made? You can carry on with your day. Well, you can do that with Chronic Insights. Currently, it's only for Wear OS smartwatches. That's the Google smartwatch. I'm working on the Apple Watch version, so stay tuned for that if you're an Apple Watch fan. But this tutorial video is just to tell you and show you how to get set up using your Wear OS smartwatch to record symptoms in the Chronic Insights Symptom Diary. So we'll get started. This is the Chronic Insights mobile app on my Android phone. This is my symptoms that I've been recording for ankylosing spondylitis, pain and fatigue and other things. So you've got a settings button down here. So if you just tap on the settings button and go to the smartwatch Wear OS menu option there, it'll say that it's not connected because you haven't installed it on your watch yet. That's what we're going to walk you through right now. So if you get hold of your Wear OS watch, let's just turn it on there. Hopefully you can see that pretty clearly. So the first thing to do is install the app. So if you tap on the side button and go into Play Store, let that load up. And what you want to do is scroll down till we can get to the apps on your phone section. So because you've already got Chronic Insights installed on your phone, your Wear OS watch will pick up on that and it'll say, oh, I know how to show that on the watch. So it's just already there. So you just tap on Chronic Insights to install it. And there we go. That's installing. Okay, so that's installed. It takes 20 or 30 seconds or so. So what you can do then is just go to open the app. So this is the bit that it's maybe a little bit tricky sometimes. This is why I wanted to show you a video. The first thing that it'll do is try to connect to the phone. And this might take a couple of goes. So this is what you might find. The fact that you get this try again button because it hasn't connected to the phone for some reason. So what you can do is just try tapping try again, and also try tapping try again on the phone app as well. I sometimes find it takes a couple of goes to do that. That's what we're looking for, is this little window opening up here. This is your tutorial. This knows that you've installed the app, okay. So this is just telling you how to use the app. It says tap on a symptom to record it. So these are all my symptoms here. I've got little icons for them all. So you can see there's fatigue here, I've got pain, I've got knee pain, and I've got all sorts of other ones. So if I wanted to record, for example, how my pain is right now, I just tap on the icon and I can give it a rating of 1 out of 10. Depends how you've set it up on the phone. You can have it 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 3 or whatever you like, but I've gone for 1 out of 10. I'm in a fair amount of pain at the moment. I'm going to say I'm about 6 out of 10, something like that. Maybe a 5 right now. So you just set what you want, tap it, and then you can change the time if you want. You can add a note. You can say where it is on your body. But if you just want to record the number, That's all you have to do. Just tap save. And that's done. That's recorded on your phone, and that's all there is to it. So just to go through that one more time, just to make a recording, go into your Programs menu, tap on Chronic Insights, tap on whichever symptom you want to record, set the value, however you're feeling right now, tap it, and then tap on save. And that's all you have to do. Easy peasy. If you want to make it even easier, what you can do is actually, instead of having to go into the app like that each time you want to make a recording, there's also a watch face that you can add, which has all of your icons already on it. So I'll just show you how to do that. To change the watch faces on Wear OS, what you do is you just tap and hold on your watch face, and you get this little menu which you can swipe through. What you want to do is swipe to the end where you get additional watch faces. Oops. To try that again. Add more watch faces. And what you'll see is this list here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that one of the watch face options you got is called Chronic Insights. If you just tap that, there you go, you've got a watch face with all your icons on there, and the time of the day as well. So that just makes it even easier. I like to have this on my smartwatch, just so that when I want to make a reading, I can literally just tap on my watch face whenever I want to and make a reading, and that's it. Now I find that Wear OS connecting the watch to the phone can sometimes be a little bit tricky. Sometimes it doesn't want to connect. So if you do have that problem, here's a few tips which will hopefully help if that happens. So the first thing that you want to check is the connectivity on the watch. If you swipe down and go into your settings menu and go into connectivity, you get maybe some information about what's going wrong. So if you tap in Bluetooth, what you want to see is that Bluetooth's on and that your phone is connected. Your phone should appear here. If it says disconnected here, then that's your problem. Your Bluetooth connection between your watch and your phone isn't working. So try maybe turn off and turn on Bluetooth there. What you might also want to do is on your phone, go into your Wear OS app. So you need the Wear OS app to actually connect your phone to your watch. And again, what you're looking for is connected via Bluetooth to appear here. This is your watch. If your watch appears here but it says disconnected here, then again you got a problem with the Bluetooth connectivity between the two. And what you can do is just, I guess, try and turn off and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. If that fails, then maybe what I found helps is just turning everything off and on again. Literally just reboot the watch. So again, you can go into your settings and go into system, and you've got an option there for restart. So you can try restarting the watch, restarting your phone. Hopefully that'll help. If that doesn't help, another thing that you might be able to do is in the Chronic Insights app, your settings, if you go into settings and the Wear OS menu option, you got this option down here to either, if it says disconnected here, you might try tapping try again, which will appear here. I've also got a reset watch app button here, so that might also help restore connectivity to your phone and your watch. So hopefully that helps. If you're having issues, if you're still having problems, get in contact with me. You can email me at james@chronicinsights.com. I'm also on Instagram @chronicinsights. And I'd love to hear any feedback you got or any questions or any suggestions. That'd be great. Okay, that's it, I think. Bye. Hi, I'm James from the... Ugh, sakes. What the going on? What the am I saying? Don't know. So, without much ado, without further ado, let's go ahead and do that. I need... Hi, I'm James. I'm the creator of the Chronic Insights Symptom Diary app for people with sakes. Got to close the door. It's a really obvious thing to want to be able to do. To want to be able to do? Yeah, that's right. Nah. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? It must be here. Here it is. Jesus Christ. Why won't that work? Fuck's sakes. Sakes. Click on the side button and for sakes.